Watermelon is certainly a well-known fruit. While we all enjoy consuming this sweet, rejuvenating fruit, we generally throw out the tiny seeds scattered within it without realizing, or rather realizing, of their health advantages. This type of seeds consist of nutrition, which includes fatty acids, essential proteins, and a lot of minerals. These seeds are full of vitamin B, just like thiamine, niacin, folate, and minerals like magnesium, potassium, manganese, iron, zinc, phosphorus, and copper. Besides, they are a great resource of calories, along with 100 grams of watermelon seeds, offering about 600 grams of calories. Watermelon seeds contain dietary fiber essential for the normal operation of the digestive tract that help in case of intestinal parasites, as well as in the treatment of patients suffering from hepatitis and inflammation in the body. Watermelon seeds contain citrulline substance, which acts as an antioxidant, promotes expansion of blood vessels, and have positive effect in case of arteriosclerosis, angina, hypertension, and erectile dysfunction. Watermelon seeds are also very useful for treating diseases of the kidneys and urinary tract. Using tea from fresh watermelon seeds can help you to remove stones and sands in the kidneys. To take maximum advantage of the medicinal properties of the watermelon seeds, you should cook them, grind them, or bake them. Magical recipe. First, you should take 20 to 30 watermelon seeds. Grind them and boil them for 15 minutes in 2 liters of water. This amount will be enough to be disposed and consumed 2 days, and then you need to make a pause the 3rd day. Repeat the procedure for several weeks, but it is mandatory to pause every 3rd day. Health benefits of watermelon seeds. As we mentioned before, watermelon seeds are really beneficial for your health. They are a rich source of nutrition as well as minerals, and for that reason, you shouldn't throw them away. Here are some of the health benefits. 1. Protects heart health. Watermelon seeds are good sources of magnesium, which is vital for normal heart functioning. Maintenance of normal blood pressure, supporting metabolic process, and protein synthesis. It is also beneficial in the treatment of cardiovascular diseases and hypertension, besides controlling blood pressure and diabetes. 2. Preventing aging. Watermelon seeds prevent signs of aging because they contain antioxidants and oils which make your skin look younger, healthier, and more vibrant. These benefits can be observed by consuming a handful or 2 of watermelon seeds a week. 3. Clean acne. Take cotton bud and dip it on watermelon seed oil. Use it on your face to clean acne, dirt, as well as dead skin cells. This oil is suitable for all skin types, including dry, olive, acne-prone, and maturing skin. 4. Strengthen hair. The high protein as well as amino acid content within the seeds can also strengthen hair. Also, roasted watermelon seeds could make your hair shiny and beautiful, since they have copper that produces melanin, a pigment that gives color for hair. 5. Treat itchy scalp. Watermelon seed oil possesses mild texture therefore it could be absorbed easily. The oil can be used as moisturizer for dried, itchy scalp or even for scalp with dandruff. 6. Prevent hair damage. The seeds contain essential fatty acids which are great for your dry and damaged hair. 7. Keeps the hair black. Roasted watermelon seeds contain copper, which is involved in the production of melanin. As you know, melanin is a pigment that provides color to your hair and skin. 8. Hair and nails. Watermelon seeds have a high content of protein in them, which can keep your hair healthy and shiny. This protein contains certain essential amino acids such as lysine, arginine, tryptophan, and glutamatic acid, which are needed to your body to keep your hair healthy and strong. 9. Prevents hair breakage. Watermelon seed oil provides the hair with essential fatty acids which are needed by your hair to prevent breakage and keep it moisturized. 10. Watermelon seeds can cure edema. Toss a teaspoon of dry and ground watermelon seeds in a teaspoon of honey and put this mixture in 3/4 cup of warm water. Mix well and consume immediately, at least 2 times a day. This particular exercise helps you to control edema problem. 11. Enhances male fertility. The lycopene antioxidant in watermelon seeds is extremely efficient and remedial method to boost the male potency levels in men. This ought to be possible by including the dried seeds within the everyday diet. 12. Treat diabetes. These seeds can be used for treating diabetes. Boil a handful of watermelon seeds in 1 liter water for 45 minutes, keeping the pot covered. This potion should be taken every day like tea. 13. Moisturizes the skin. The unsaturated fatty acids in watermelon seeds keep the skin moisturized, soft, firm, well-toned, and prevent acne and other skin disorders. 14. Protects your skin from cancer. The wide array of nutrients contained in watermelon seeds protects your skin from certain types of skin cancers and infections as well.